I will now explain the third step of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. By now your cube should look like this. The white is full, and the top row of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube is solved. What you want to do at this point is make a 180-degree turn with the whole cube. You grab it, the white is facing up. You grab it and then you make the white face down, the yellow facing up. What you do now is look around the cube and focus on the top row of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. What you're looking for in the top row is that these cubies do not contain a yellow anywhere. So you're gonna focus on these 4 cubies. These corner cubies are not important. So you cannot work with this one because the yellow is facing you. Nor can you work with this one because the yellow is facing up. Now, we can work with this one, and we could work with this one. So I am going to choose this one. We could work with this one because there is no yellow here nor here. So what we have to do is when you begin this step, you make sure that this color is on its proper side. It's on its proper side right now, but if it were here, you would have to switch this color from here to wherever the proper side of this color is. It's not here, so you have to put it here. So now when that's done, you focus on the top color. Top color in my case is orange. Now what I have to do is take this color to the opposite side of its proper side. Here is its proper side because the middle is orange. So I am gonna take this orange to the opposite side of its proper side. Now when that's done, you want to take the proper side of this color and take it up. Now lifting this side, the proper side up, will reveal 3 vertical white lines. What you want to do is take one white away from the group of whites towards this way. Take it and you turn it towards this way. When you have the white right here away from the group of whites, then you put these 2 sets of whites back down to where they came from. Then you take this white that you took away from the 2 whites that were here before and you put it back. Now when you have that done, you switch views. From this view you go to this view. Now you turn the cube from here to here because the white is on this corner. If it were on this corner, you would have to turn this way, but in my case the white is on this corner, so you turn the cube this way. Now what you want to do is match this color with this color. So you match them and then you peek to this side of the cube. When you peek on this side of the cube, you'll see a white. That white, you have to match them with these two sets of whites. So you take them there, forming a vertical white line, and then you put it back down. So now when that's done, you keep going with any QB that you can work with. In this case, these two are capable of being worked with. So this one we can't because there's a yellow facing you, and this one the same deal. So we're gonna take this one. Well, better off this one. So what you want to do first is match this color to its proper side. Okay, so when that's done, you take this color and you turn it to the opposite side of its proper side. So you turn it like this. Here's the color we're working with. Here is its proper side. That's how you need to have it. So you take the proper side of this color and you lift it up. You take away one white from the vertical group of whites that reveal, and you hide them again. You take that white that you took away from the two whites that were just here, and you put it back to where it was before. Now, since the white is on this corner, you switch from this view to this view, and you take this color and you match it with this color. If they both match, you're doing the step correctly. So you take the color and match it with that color. So when that's done, take this white, you peek over here, take this white, and you match it with these two whites that are right here. You bring it back down. Now, remember what I said. You match this first to its proper side. Take this color, take it to the opposite side of its proper side. You lift up the proper side. Take this one white away. It has to be the top one. You bring this back down. Take this white, put it back to where it came from. You switch views because the white is on this corner, so you go this way. You match these two colors, grab this white and you match it with the two whites. Well, the two whites. And then that was the last one. And when you're done with the last one, you will have two rows complete and the white is full.